Yes.
Yes, so please share, if you want, you can share your experience of yesterday's assignment. And how was it during the day? How was it after you wrote? You can unmute yourselves and start sharing.
Feeling good. क्योंकि
आप
थोड़ा अच्छा लगा था कि वो मेमोरीज में चले गए हो, ऐसा कुछ लगता था
हाँ,
और थोड़ा हल्का फील हो रहा था कि नहीं, अब जो भी होगा अच्छा ही होने वाला है।
ओके। आफ्टर आपने जब लिखा उस एक पर्सन के बारे में, आफ्टर दैट
ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है कोई के किसी के साथ बोलना बंद हुआ, ऐसा तो कोई है ही नहीं। लेकिन क्या थोड़ा सा ऐसा हो कि शेयरिंग ओछा हो, मीन्स कम हो सकता हो, ऐसा कोई हो, इसके हिसाब से लिखा।
हाँ जी।
क्योंकि पर्टिकुलर कोई ऐसा तो है ही नहीं कि जिसके साथ रिलेशन ऐसे हुए हो और वो
हम्म। नो, दैट्स नॉट नेसेसरी। जरूरी नहीं है कि आई मीन कुछ ऐसे किसी के साथ हो जिनसे आप बात ही नहीं करते हो या कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई। बट है ऐसा, लाइक यू नो, व्हेन यू सिट विथ योरसेल्फ वी गेट कुछ ना कुछ, कोई ऐसे पर्सन का नाम आ ही जाता है जिनके साथ आपके
थोड़ा
जो
कम हो।
थोड़ा बहुत कुछ हुआ हो, राइट? सो यू चोज वन रिलेशन, राइट?
या
एंड यू फेल्ट, आपको बहुत लाइट फील हुआ। एंड
या
या सो नाउ अभी भी आप जैसे जब उस पर्सन के बारे में याद कर रहे हो तो आपकी फीलिंग टुवर्ड्स दैट पर्सन, हैव योर फीलिंग्स चेंज? आपकी फीलिंग्स चेंज हो गए हैं?
फीलिंग्स चेंज हुए हैं।
वेरी गुड, ऑसम ऑसम।
या
थैंक्स फॉर शेयरिंग,
थैंक
थैंक्स फॉर शेयरिंग।
यू।
Who else, anybody else wants to share? There are 9 people on the call. Nobody wants to share what happened. आपने assignment की थी या नहीं की थी? Who all did the assignment? Yes, no, please write on the chat.
Yes. I feel I'll have to keep repeating this for a while.
That's nice. That's nice. Yeah,
You
you
know,
can.
for it to be 100% effective, I feel, you know.
Yeah, yeah. That's what the book mentioned. That till the time you feel that you get into that neutral state, wherein whenever you're remembering that person, nothing is affecting you. Till that time, you can keep on doing. Nice, nice to share, Uma. Very nice that you've realized this and
Yeah,
you
I
want to do it
realize that,
again.
yeah, it sometimes some things take time.
Yes. Yeah, there's
Because
nothing wrong in it.
and because there's been a backlog of so many years, so you know it's built up. So make it.
Yes, I can understand. Yeah. So the book also says that. Yeah. Who else wants to share? Did you do the assignment? Yes, no. Namrata ji, yes. Okay.
Yes.
The rest of you, okay. Hina ji, yes. Who else did the assignment? Uma did, Rushita ji did. Yes, who else? Only 4 people did the assignment.
ये लिखना ही है एवरी टाइम, या अब एक बार लिखा है तो थिंकिंग करेंगे तो चलेगा?
See, you know, it's always better to write. Always better to write.
ओके।
बिकॉज हैंडराइटिंग, जब भी हम लिखते हैं तो हैंडराइटिंग इज अ रिस्पॉन्स विच कम्स फ्रॉम द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड। तो जो भी मेमोरी हमारे दिमाग में 24 आवर्स से ज्यादा रह जाती है, वो इट गोज इन टू द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड एंड इट गेट्स स्टोर्ड इन टू डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फाइल्स इन द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड। तो फिर वेन एवर वी राइट ना, वी एक्चुअली टेकिंग आउट वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड। सो राइट नाउ जब हम बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो हमारे दिमाग के 2 भाग होते हैं, चेतन। तो आप अभी चेतन अवस्था से सुन रहे हैं। हाँ, एंड व्हेन कोई भी थॉट अगर 24 घंटा रह गई तो वो अवचेतन दिमाग में चली जाती है। तो जब हम लिखते हैं तो एक्चुअली वी आर राइटिंग फ्रॉम दैट स्पेस, उस जगह से वो थॉट्स आती है, वो मेमोरीज आती है। एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट टू एम्प्टी ना, वही जगह को एम्प्टी करना है। सो दैट वी, सो यू सेड ना दैट आप बहुत लाइट फील कर रहे थे, एंड
या
एक्चुअली वो जगह जब empty हो जाती है, तो then we start feeling lighter.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Meher, yeah, Chandrika, you've done the assignment. You want to share anything?
We
Tina
don't
ji,
feel ki like in one day we can remove everything about that person.
yes. Yeah, it's quite possible. As Uma also shared the same. Yeah, it's fine. You can keep on doing, but don't leave it. If you've taken that, you can keep on doing it.
Okay.
Repetition is effective, I think.
Yeah,
Will be more effective.
yeah. You also did? Did
Yes,
you also do?
I did. I did the assignment.
Okay. So nice. Then you can keep on doing it. Nice to know that. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Who else? Hina ji?
हाँ असाइनमेंट तो किया, पर शेयर करते वक्त भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कंप्लेन कर रही होंगी इसके बारे में, तो फिर शेयर करने का कोई मतलब, क्योंकि
तो आप और करिएगा आज.
हाँ
जब
हाँ
तक
जरूर.
माइंड में कंप्लेनिंग बंद हो जाए ना, बिकॉज
हम्म
रिमेम्बर द चैप्टर ऑल्सो सेड, द बुक वाज ऑल्सो सेइंग दैट टिल द टाइम, मतलब हमको कैसे पता चलेगा, इट्स अ फीडबैक जो हमारा माइंड हमें खुद दे रहा है, कि जब तक उस पर्सन के बारे में, जैसा आपने अभी राइटली बोला कि कंप्लेनिंग में चली जाऊंगी, सो टिल द टाइम व्हेन यू रिमेम्बर दैट पर्सन, जब भी आप उस पर्सन को याद कर रहे हो और फिर भी अगर वो कंप्लेनिंग मोड में जा रहे हो, दैट मीन्स दैट यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन मोर, और करना है आपको, टिल द टाइम वो कंप्लेनिंग पूरी स्टॉप हो जाए और आपको फर्क ही नहीं पड़े, यू नो, टिल दैट एक्सटेंड व्हेन दैट वो पर्सन आपके सामने आए, तो आपको यू नो यू विल गो एंड talk to that person, smile at that person, maybe आप कुछ appreciate कर दोगे उस person के बारे में जो आपने लिखा है, and you will see miracles happening actually.
ओ एक्चुअली में जब भी वो पर्सन सामने आते तो अच्छे से बोल लेते हैं, स्माइल, वैसा कुछ नहीं है, पर अंदर से जो रिग्रेट है या जो भी कंप्लेन है वो निकालनी जरूरी है.
हाँ, वो हम करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि सोशली वी वांट टू बी एक्सेप्टेबल ना, कि
एग्जैक्टली.
वो नहीं समझे कि हम कुछ कुछ है हमारे, तो वी ट्राई टू प्रिटेंड कि नहीं है, बट अंदर से इफ यू आर रियलाइजिंग, दैट मीन्स वही तो हमें करना है ना. इफ अंदर से जो रियलाइज हो रहा है, वी नो इट बेटर देन एनीवन एल्स, हमें मालूम है और किसी को नहीं मालूम है वो चीज, राइट? Yeah. Who else? Two more people have joined. Can you please unmute yourself and start sharing if you have done yesterday's assignment? If we can all start sharing. Okay. Or if anybody wants to share, if some magics have started appearing in your life, अगर आपकी लाइफ में कुछ मैजिक्स दिखने लग गए हैं, we have stepped into 3rd week of our magic book journey. So lots of magics are happening in everyone's life. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes. I'll
Yes.
share. But though I didn't ask for it, it came.
Wow, that's so interesting. Would you like to share, Uma?
Yes. So a week ago, my daughter got a call for an interview. She had applied in February before lockdown. So,
Wow.
so suddenly, one don't expect. Right now people are not employing, but she got a call from my head.
That's so awesome,
And
na?
after that, next day she got another call from somebody else. Oh, will you like to work? So she said, no, I've already got a job.
That's so beautiful, so beautiful. Yeah, it's true that people are getting unemployed, and even now, the workforce has not started as it was earlier before the lockdown, the work area, and even companies, they haven't yet started functioning 100%.
Yes.
Yeah, that's so nice, so nice.
अच्छा वंदना जी,
Amazing.
ये शॉर्ट टेम्पर को कंट्रोल करने का मैजिक है कोई? वो चाहिए.
Yeah. It will come. Don't worry, it will come.
Okay. Thank
अभी
you.
we are going through the chapters now. We are going. अब हम एकदम deep में जा रहे हैं एक area को लेके. So कहीं ना कहीं something will click you and it will happen. कुछ ना कुछ आपको कुछ touch करेगा and it will happen. Okay. So if we are done with today's sharing, if nobody else wants to share, we can start today's session. Magic and miracles in health. Okay, who is nominating to do today's reading? Who wants to read today? Please unmute yourselves, tell your name and start reading. Who wants to read? Yes, who wants to read? Should I start? Nobody wants to read today? Okay. Day 16, Magic and Miracles in Health. In case anybody wants to read, you can just stop me and you can start reading. Day 16, Magic and Miracles in Health. Okay, let's look at this picture. You can write it on the chat or you can unmute yourselves and see what you can see in the picture. Yeah, somebody is wanting to say anything. So, क्या दिख रहा है हमें ये पिक्चर में क्या दिख रहा है?
Some bottles of medicine or whatever.
Okay, and what else?
And there's something written aboard, maybe like a magic, something written.
Yeah, what is that something? It's a miracle.
I can't read the magic elixir or something.
Yeah, magic elixir. Yeah, lovely, lovely. Good observation, Uma.
Mhm.
Anybody else wants to explain this illustration? कोई और बताना चाहेगा? क्या समझ में आ रहा है?
पिक्चर बता विला दे कोई पिक्चर बता विला दे
Yes,
the medicine bottle.
it's a medicine bottle. Okay. अच्छा और
ये बॉटल में से कुछ मैजिक होएगा, मीन्स निकल के बाहर आएगा.
हाँ, okay. Okay. Yes, yes. और
कितने बताते नहीं बोले ना इन्हें बतावे.
yes. Or nobody else wants to say what can you understand? Chandrika, Vinod, anything you want to say? Let's use our power of imagination. Okay, so let's till the time anybody wants to share, if anybody can look in the dictionary or Google, what is the meaning of elixir? Magic elixir. Why I'm talking about this illustration is every chapter has a picture. The picture at the beginning and the first few lines, the motto tells us everything, it tells us about the entire chapter. Okay, one bottle is shut and one is open. That's an awesome thing you have noticed. Very good. Yes, one bottle is shut and the other is open. That's nice. So what does that mean? What does that mean? Yes, Rituji, just can you say? Sorry, Neetuji.
What does it say? I don't know, but I'm just observing and trying to
Let's
think
try
what
to
it can
decode
say.
now, na? What can you, supposing one bottle is shut and the other is open, and there is some magic which is sprinkled on this bottle. So what does that mean? And the chapter is Magic and Miracles in Health. Relate to the chapter, na? And who else? Who is looking for the meaning of elixir? Please write it on the chat. Elixir. What is it? What does it mean? Because the board says magic elixir. There's a reason now why it's saying that. Potion, yes. Okay. Potion. Who else?
Magic solution.
Magic solution. Did you Google?
Yes.
Okay.
Cough
जादुई
elixir.
अमृत,
Sorry,
जादुई
sorry.
अमृत, जादुई अमृत.
And
Jadui Amrit.
it says an elixir guaranteed to induce love.
Guaranteed to induce love.
Yes.
Wow, that's so
Magical
nice.
potion. It's a magical medicinal potion.
A magical.
Magical potion or medicinal potion.
Okay. And guaranteed to induce love. Amazing. Anything else? So, elixir, when I got this as a substance held capable of changing base metals into gold.
Yes, even that's also come. There are many
Yeah.
meanings, so this is one more.
Yeah. So, and a substance held capable of prolonging life indefinitely
Oh,
and cure all. So all these three meanings fit into our book, the magic book, and today's chapter, Magic and Miracles in Health. So we are going to discover for ourselves now as we go through the chapter, the elixir of life. And we have been discovering it through the book as we were reading. What is the elixir of life? Anybody, can you write? Okay. Kapoor has written a substance held capable of prolonging life indefinitely. Lovely, lovely. That's what we are discussing. What is the elixir of life? Come on, all of you. What is the elixir of life that we are
yes.
discovering?
Magic of life. Don't know.
The cure of everything.
Water.
Okay, somebody else? Yes, gratitude.
Gratitude and positivity.
Yes. Gratitude is the elixir of life. Again and again, we are discovering that in different ways. But that just one thing, whoever has gratitude will be given more and more abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, whatever he or she has will be taken away from him or her. We have been hearing this so many times. So the elixir of life is gratitude. And what is life? Health. Yeah. So we are going to discover in today's chapter magic and miracles in health. So we on the fourth day, I think so, we had we read this chapter, magical health. In that, what did we do? Can anybody tell me? There was also the one line which the book had told us to write and put it in a card so that we can see it quite often. Can anybody tell me what we did on day 4th? Yes, no. Do you remember?
The
The
gift
gi-
of health is keeping me alive.
Yes, the gift of health is keeping me alive. How many of you have written it and stuck at some point, someplace in your homes or on your board? You know, if we have a board, a soft board or a whiteboard. How many of you have done that? If you haven't done, it's fine. You can still do it today. Okay. So now we are going to go deeper into this beautiful topic, health. Health. Okay. Okay. Done. Okay. Good. Good. So Uma, I would invite you to read whatever till the time you can read. I know you have to leave early today. So can you please start reading?
Okay. Day 16. Magic and miracles and health. Miracles are not contrary to nature, but only contrary to what we know about nature. By St. Augustine, 354 to 430 BC.
Yes, so miracles, चमत्कार प्रकृति के विपरीत नहीं है, यह तो उसके विपरीत है जो अब तक प्रकृति के बारे में हम जानते हैं. So many, I mean, every moment we can see miracles in nature if we are aware of whatever is happening around us. Isn't it a miracle that every morning we see the sun rising and every evening at a specific time the sun goes down? Who is controlling all this? Who is making all this happen? Sometimes I'm so amazed that at one particular time I can hear the chirping of the birds, and I know without looking at the clock that it is this time and it is the same time. How do the birds understand that the same time they need to go and they need to start flying and go hunting for food for them? They don't have a watch. How do they know? It's so amazing. Isn't it a miracle? Every evening we see as the sun goes down, or sometimes even when we can see the sun and the moon together. How does that happen? How does that happen? And so the birds, the animal kingdom has this intelligence, I think, more than us. They are aware of the miracles in nature. I have observed that every evening at the same time there is a pigeon which comes and sits above my window pane, and it sits there the whole night, because I can understand why it's sitting there, because in the morning I can see the pigeon shit on the window glass. So actually every evening at the same time, how do they know? How do they know that this is the time I have to go and sit there? And amazing part is that how do they know that they fly all around and they come at that same spot every single day? Isn't it a miracle? Somebody is unmuted. Can you please mute yourself? Somebody just spoke just now. So let's be aware now and look at the miracles in nature, because every second there is a miracle happening. Yes, and all what is happening is in nature, and nature is within us. All the 5 elements that we see in nature is within us. This body is made up of that, and if we connect ourselves to nature, then we see miracles happening in our own lives. Yes, that is what I felt when I read these lines, this motto. If anybody else has any understanding, you can please unmute yourself and share. If you are even the reader, Uma, if you have understood anything else, share with us.
Yeah, it's a miracle also how these migrating birds fly and land in the same, from north to south. How how they fly for miles,
Yeah, amazing.
and wherever they go, they fly south. Every year they fly south and they go back north. It's
Yeah,
amazing.
and at the same time of the year they come. How?
Yes.
Vandana ji,
Yes.
I can share. When tsunami came, तो
Yeah.
उन लोगों को एहसास हो जाता है, उन लोग चले जाते हैं.
Yes. Yes, the animals, they understand much earlier than us. हमसे पहले उन्हें पता चल जाता है.
हाँ.
Yes. Very nice example. Anybody else wants to? Let's have an interactive session, na? Anybody else?
कभी हमारी सिक्स सेंस भी हमें कुछ अलर्ट कर देती है.
हाँ जी,
तो वो
जैसे?
भी एक सिक्स सेंस मतलब वो भी एक मिरेकल है ना, कभी कभी हो जाता है कि नहीं ये कुछ होने वाला है, ऐसा अपनी सिक्स सेंस हमको बताती है, तो वो
हाँ
शायद
जी,
मैजिकल ही होगा ना।
yes. तो सिक्स्थ सेंस इज व्हाट एक्चुअली यू आर कनेक्टेड विथ योर सेल्फ, आप अपने, इट्स कॉल्ड इंट्यूशन, तो दैट इज द सिक्स्थ सेंस, मतलब कि फाइव सेंसेस से परे है, उससे अलग है। एंड आप अपने इंट्यूशन से, अपने इनर सेल्फ से, अपने हायर पावर से कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं, एंड देन यू नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन। या अमेजिंग, यस। So please continue. Anybody else wants to anything? You want to say anything?
Yeah, I want to share. My mother always has this, oh, I don't feel like doing this. And she just doesn't do it. Oh, I don't feel like going there. Uh, it's nothing to do. She's all right. It's just that, I think she follows a lot of her intuition.
Yes, yes.
I mean, she bought tickets to travel and says, no, and she'll happily cancel them. She says, I'm not going. I don't feel like going, you know?
Yeah. So maybe she's energy sensitive and she can
Yeah.
understand, and yes, that's something. And then what happens afterwards when she
Then she,
cancels?
no, cancel, and then she said, I'll go 1 week later. And she buys the tickets again and she goes. I mean, I can't see anything major which has happened that, oh, she did the right thing. But
Huh.
some people, I'm like I'm saying, she only follows her intuition and her feelings.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Could be, you just need to know that is there a kind of, is there a pattern of confusion in the mind or not being able to take decisions? Just make a note of that. Otherwise,
Okay.
it's fine. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay. We shall start.
yeah. Please continue.
We should feel healthy, energized, and full of happiness most of the time, because that is how it feels to have our birthright of full health. The reality, however, is that a lot of people don't feel this way very often, if ever. Many people are dealing with illnesses, problems with the functioning of their body, or suffering from bouts of depression and other mental health problems, which are all states of less than full health.
Yes, beautiful, beautiful way to start the chapter. That we all, we all are, let's discover in ourselves. So, we all, when a child is born, 95 to 98% of the kids, they are born healthy. And we all are born healthy. It's our birthright of full health. The reality, however, is that a lot of people don't feel this way very often, if ever. They are dealing with illnesses, problems with the functioning of their body. Because why all this happens? Because of the belief system that we start carrying within us. And bouts of depression. Depression is what? It is nothing. It's nothing, I remember maybe 15, maybe 20 years, I didn't know. We all of us, did we hear this word depression? We didn't know what is it. During our childhood, did we hear this word depression? I don't remember hearing it. I don't remember that, it was, depression is of course connected with mental health. It's not physical health. So,
We are listening in nowadays, this
yeah, so
word.
everybody is saying I'm feeling depressed, I'm feeling low. I mean, not everybody, every few people whom we meet, they say that at one point of time in their life. Yeah, because why? Have we ever asked ourselves why? And this beautiful line, this beautiful, these words, and other mental health problems, which are all states of less than full health. Such a beautiful way to express when you are not feeling well. What do we say when we are, when we're talking to somebody on the phone or somebody meets us? Okay, how are you feeling? I'm not feeling well. I'm not, I'm having a stomach ache. I'm having a lower back ache, joint problems, or, anything we would say. Yes, but now we can change this sentence by saying that I'm less than full health. I am less than full health. It's such a beautiful way of not saying the way we say. Is everybody getting me? So now we can say that now I'm less than full health. Yeah. So that we are not getting into the complaining mode, because we know now one complaining is equal to 10 blessings. How many of us are remembering when we complain that we have complained just now, and we are aware of it, that now we have to write 10 blessings for that complaint? How many of us are remembering that actually?
Yeah.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes. Only
Yes.
one yes I got.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, let's continue reading.
Gratitude is one of the fastest ways I know to magically begin experiencing the full state of health you are meant to have in your body and mind. All the miracles of healing we see happen are simply the result of full health being restored instantly in the human body, where before there was less than full and perfect health. If you don't think gratitude creates miracles in your health and body, then read some of the thousands of miracle stories on the Secret website.
Yeah, so we remember when we saw the Secret movie, the lady who had cancer and how she kept herself in that happy zone, and she kept on watching some funny movies and she kept on laughing, and she actually healed her cancer, and cancer left her body forever. And also the man who had, so isn't this a miracle that a man who just fell off from a flight, so at such a great height he fell down. He broke all his bones and still he was alive. How? Because anybody? Even after that plane crash, after that big accident, he was alive because he had that faith in him, in himself, that I am going to make it. And you remember we saw in the movie that he actually, the doctors were amazed how he could do that. His
Yes.
bones were fractured, and he actually walked. He what was his final thing? What was his ideal state? We are going to,
I'll walk from this hospital on
yes,
25th December.
without any help,
Yes.
and he did it. And he did it. So if you can heal cancer, if you can make things happen like this, those people were also humans like us with the same body and mind. Yeah, and they did it. They made it true for themselves. So we can also make it true for ourselves. Yeah, please continue.
Gratitude's magical power increases the natural flow of health to the mind and body and can assist the body in healing more quickly, as countless studies have shown. The magical power of gratitude also works hand in hand with good bodily care, nutrition, and any medical assistance you might have chosen to follow. When there is some kind of sickness or condition in your body, it is understandable that you may have negative feelings about it, like worry, frustration, or fear. But having negative feelings about sickness does not restore health. In fact, it has the opposite effect. It reduces health even more. To increase your health, you need to replace the negative feelings with good feelings, and gratitude is the easiest way to do it.
Yeah, so now what is coming in our minds maybe is that when there is a sickness or condition in your body, and it is quite understandable that we have negative feelings. Like, let's take an example that supposing you are having a stomach ache. It's a very, very small thing, or a headache. But when you have a stomach ache or when you have a headache, you can't focus on the things around you. In your normal day to day routine also you can't focus. And हम क्या करेंगे उसको ठीक करने के लिए either we'll pop up pills, or we'll take some home remedies, or we'll try to understand what has happened. मैंने क्या किया था जिससे I'm having a stomach ache or a headache. Very small thing we have taken, a very small thing, and but having negative feelings about sickness does not restore health. See, look at this word restore. It has been used here also somewhere else. Yeah, the result of full health being restored instantly in the human body, which means that we are born with a complete full health. But now if something happens, we are trying to restore that. मतलब वापस उसे उस इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट में लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. And in fact, it has the opposite effect. It reduces health even more when we start talking about our illness. So, if you have a headache or a stomach ache or a backache or a joint pain, it's quite obvious when you meet somebody, you will just talk about your illness, what is happening to you. And unconsciously, if you're doing that, now the mind will say, Ki, then how else can I say? So now we have, I am less than full health today. Bas, just talk that. Or you can say, I am feeling fine. Don't talk about your illness, because whatever you're giving, it's going to come back to you. Remember Newton's third law of motion? Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. जो हम देंगे वो हमारे पास वापस आएगा. So to increase your health, you need to replace the negative feelings with good feelings, and gratitude is the easiest way to do it. Can anybody tell me the example which we took just now? If you having a stomach ache or a headache, how would how would you give gratitude to it? How would you do that? Of course, we are going to learn in the chapter, but right now, anybody has any guesses? बता सकते हैं कि आप बिना दवाई लिए, how would you do that?
I accept it. Stomach pain.
हाँ, पर अगर वो दर्द बहुत जोर से हो रहा है तो क्या करेंगे?
मैं ये सोचूंगी कि मेरा दर्द ठीक हो रहा है, मेरा हेडेक ठीक हो रहा है.
ठीक हो रहा है. Okay, that is the first step. Okay. Can we think the ideal state, that this is what we are going to learn in today's chapter? I just asked you this question before, so I wanted to know where we are, till where we have reached.
Give thanks to stomach. Whatever I'm eating, it's accepting.
Yeah, very good. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, very, very beautiful. In that state of pain, if you start giving thanks to your stomach, it's it's a final step. But what we can do is that give thanks to other parts of our body. So that because the other parts of our body are functioning properly, your legs are functioning properly, your brain is, your mind, your hands, your lungs, all the other organs are functioning properly, right? So give thanks to and give blessings. Be thankful to the other parts of the body so that you set the energy in motion, and that energy of gratitude starts flowing into your stomach. So we can all try doing it. The more and more we experience it, right now also, if you are having any pain in any part of your body, while we are reading and while we are listening, you can start doing it and you will see the magic happen. Yes, please continue.
Many people also have critical thoughts and feelings of dissatisfaction about their physical appearance. Unfortunately, those thoughts and feelings also reduce the magical flow of health. When there's something you don't like about your body, you're not being grateful to your body. Think about it. By the law of attraction, complaints about your body bring more problems to complain about. And so, complaining about your body or appearance.
Yes, we'll pause here. So many people have critical thoughts and feelings of dissatisfaction about their physical appearance. Whenever we look at ourselves in front of the mirror, we start complaining about our eyes, about our nose, about our appearance, about our skin, the texture of the skin, about the color of the skin. Don't we do that? About our physical, our figure. So many things we start complaining. Oh, I have a fat belly. I need to make it, I need, and I'm becoming fatter day by day. So I want to reduce my weight. So we have so many complaints about us. But what are these thoughts and feelings doing? It's stopping the magical flow of health. So whenever you don't like something about your body, just be grateful for your body. just this one thing we can start doing, and we'll see magics appearing in our health. Yes.
Step 1. Health you've received in the past.
Oh no, 1 minute, Uma. I think I've gone further. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, I skipped. So
Puts
I'll go
your
to the
very
previous
health at
page.
risk.
Shall
By
I go to the previous page?
yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
So
Uh,
complaining about your body or appearance.
Complaining about your body or appearance
Oh shit, 1 minute. Yeah. Puts your
puts your
health.
very health at risk.
Yes.
Whoever does not have gratitude for their health and their body, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. Whoever has gratitude for health and the body will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance of health to their body. You may be sick or unwell now, or even in a lot of pain, but if you are reading these words, you are continuing to receive the gift of health. It can be very difficult to assess feelings of gratitude when sick or in pain, but even the smallest bit of gratitude helps increase the magical flow of health to the body. Today's practice, Magic and Miracles in Health, is designed to dramatically increase your health and happiness. And we are going to take a triple prolonged approach to accelerate the results.
Yes, so
Step
now we
1.
are actually learning how to do it. This book is increasing your feelings of gratitude step by step. And now let's be aware, let's be present to whatever we are reading and hearing. Very, 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 very important. Yes, for those of us who have identified that you're feeling low on energy, or you don't feel up to what you should be feeling, or you are having some aches and pains in the body continuously. What happens is, why do we accept the changes in the body is because of our beliefs. So for example, that if you can't see things near, if you can't do things which are observe objects, if you can't see objects which are close to you, supposing for example that you can't read, so now you start thinking, oh, okay, now I have heard that after 45, your vision becomes less, and you need to have specs. So we go to the doctor to find, we go to the eye doctor, and we to find out if the number has, we can't see. So what is the problem, to identify the problem. So all this is happening because of the belief system. And who created these belief systems? Maybe people, we heard all this from our parents, or maybe the doctors. Just because a group of people said this, it becomes a belief for each one of us. But the truth is that even after the age of 50, 55, or 60, even after getting specs, you can bring your numbers down to zero and be completely out of the specs. Many people have done that. How is that possible? If that is possible, we can do anything. Yes. So everything comes into our body and mind because of the beliefs that we carry. जो भी हम belief carry करते हैं बचपन से, whether it's about relationship, whether it's about health, whether it's about money, whether it's about career, anything, we carry certain beliefs. तो हमको वो beliefs को identify करना है, which become the truth for us. वो belief हमारे लिए truth हो जाते हैं. We don't apply our intelligence to understand that no, we can change this. We have the capability to change this. How? We are going to learn now.
Step 1. Health you've received in the past. Think about the great health you've received throughout your childhood, adolescence, and adult life. Think about the time when you felt full of energy and you were happy. Recollect 3 separate times in your mind when you felt on top of the world, saying the magic words, thank you, and feel sincere gratitude for those times. If you think back to the big moments in your life, you will be able to recollect 3 separate times very easily.
Yeah,
Step
we
2.
can read, we can continue reading because we'll do a visualization in all these 3
Step
steps.
2. Health you're continuing to receive, present. Think about the health you're continuing to receive today and feel grateful for every organ, system, and physical sense that is currently working well in your body. Think about your arms, legs, hands, eyes, ears, liver, kidney, brain, or heart. Choose 5 functions of your body that are well, and one by one, mentally say the words thank you for each one. Step 3. Health you want to receive in the future. You are going to choose one thing you want to improve about your body for today's magical practice, but you're going to use gratitude's magical power for it in a very particular way. Think about the ideal state of what you want to improve. When you give thanks for the ideal state of anything, you have put into motion to receive back that ideal state. Very often, when a person is diagnosed with an illness or disease of some kind, they will not only talk about it a lot, but they will research the disease, gathering information about its possible worsening symptoms and dreaded outcomes. In other words, to give the entire focus to the disease. However, the law of attraction says that we can't make a problem go away by focusing on it, because focusing on the problem can only make the problem worse. Instead, we should do the exact opposite and focus on the ideal state for the area of our body that is unwell and give our thoughts and feelings to that. Gratitude for the ideal state of any part of our body powerfully uses our thoughts and feelings together, so we magnetize it to us in one fell swoop.
Yes. So these 3 steps, which we are going to do the visualization, but that this little thing that when we come to the third step, health you want to receive, that is what we all are looking for, right? But before that, we are going to heal what we did, the mistakes which we did earlier. We are going to do that. But this beautiful para, very often when a person is diagnosed with an illness or disease of some kind, they will not only talk about it a lot, but they will research the disease, isn't it? We all have the access to Google now. So kuch bhi agar hua, any we have a headache and Google has, it's so amazing, Google has all the answers. जो भी हम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे गूगल में उसका आंसर मिलेगा एंड इट विल गिव इट्स एन अमेजिंग फ्रेंड ना इट गिव्स अस ऑल द आंसर्स सो अगर कुछ हुआ बॉडी में तो हम सबसे पहले गूगल करते हैं I remember when I used to when I came to know that yeah everything is available on Google and anything used to happen to me, I used to just Google it. And when I used to share it with my daughter, she's a doctor, she's a dentist. So she used to actually, she made me aware that anybody can create an account, anybody can create something and post on Google. Even you and me can do it. But you have to see the source from where it is coming from. She educated me that you have to see the year when it was updated. You have to see the date when it was updated, the year, the time, and everything. So when I started observing the sites which I went into, it was updated 5 years ago or 4 years ago. So we are not getting the news. I mean, we are not getting the information of what is happening in the current scenario. It's something which is more and more research has been done on that. So why I'm mentioning this is that let's not, if we are doing this, let's not go into the Google searches and find out. We have the power of gratitude, because if we do that, we are actually, what are we doing? We are giving our energy more and more to the problem. And all you have to do is very simple. This book is telling us all you have to do is start giving gratitude, be thankful to that part of your body, because from the time you took birth, this part of your body has been serving you. It's there with you. It's there with you always. And what you can do is that whatever you want, finally whatever is your ideal state, जो आपकी आदर्श अवस्था है, उसे हमें ध्यान में रखते हुए उसे बस हमें ये महसूस करना है कि बस वो मिल गया हमें. सो अगर पेट में दर्द है या सर में दर्द है, तो आपको सिर्फ ये ही महसूस करना है कि वो इट्स गॉन. आइडियल स्टेट. कोई एक ऐसा टाइम था ना जब ये नहीं था, तो यू हैव टू विजुअलाइज दैट टाइम कि आई हैव, मैं अभी भी इस मोमेंट में भी आई एम इनटू दैट स्टेट, उस आदर्श अवस्था का अनुभव कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ. एंड व्हेन वी डू दिस, हाउ डू वी डू दिस? बाय द पावरफुल थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स. जो हमने अभी तक हमने जो सीखा है, that how do we change our thoughts and feelings. Okay, and when we do this, we magnetize it to us in one fell swoop. मतलब कि we become like a magnet. Be it anything. So if somebody can heal cancer, we have heard that cancer is a disease wherein there is no cure to it. It's an uncurable disease. And we have heard many people losing their lives because of cancer. But in that state also, if somebody has healed her life, which we saw in the Secret movie, and we have read it in many books, and we have heard also, for people who have miraculously healed their cancer. So if that can happen, then these are very small things. What we do is immediately, supposing we have to go for a meeting, or we have to we have an important thing to attend, just say, let me pop a pill. Yeah, everyone wants the fastest way to be out of that situation. And now we have the fastest way, that is gratitude. So yes, please continue. Uma, are you getting late?
No, I'll finish this.
Okay.
Spend 1 minute in visualizing a scene of yourself with the ideal state of your body that you want. And as you see your body in your mind the way you want it to be grateful for it as though you have received it. So if you want to magically restore health to your kidneys, be grateful for strong and healthy kidneys that filter and shift out all the waste products from your body. If you want to magically restore health to your blood, be grateful for pure and healthy blood that flows oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. If you want to magically restore health to your heart, give thanks to a strong and healthy heart that maintains the well being of every organ in your body. If you want to magically improve your eyesight, then give thanks for excellent vision. If you want to improve your hearing, then give thanks for perfect hearing. If you want more flexibility, then give thanks for a perfectly supple and agile body. If you want to change your weight, first think about the ideal weight that you want to be, then imagine yourself at the ideal weight and give thanks for it as though you have received it. Whatever is that you want to improve, first imagine yourself with the ideal state. Then be grateful for the ideal state as though you have received it right now. Natural forces within us are the true healers of disease. Hippocrates, circa 460 to circa 370 BC, father of Western medicine.
Yes, so natural forces within us are the true healers of disease. What are the natural forces within us? Can anybody tell me what are the natural forces within us?
Gratitude.
Yes.
Mental state.
Mental state as in?
Natural energy.
What is that natural energy?
Positivity.
What? Okay. Anybody else? What else?
Yeah, natural forces maybe also the physical, we have all the blood and, all the nerves. Maybe those are the natural forces also.
Yes. 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 Anybody else?
Hope.
Sorry?
Hope.
Hope.
Yes.
HOPE.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So these are all emotions that we are talking about. What are the natural forces? Can we say that the natural forces within us? So natural means what we see in nature, right? And what are those forces that we see in nature? Those 5 things: earth.
Prithvi, Jal, Agni, Vayu, Akash.
Yes. So those forces are within us also. And the moment we be grateful, we are into that magical world of gratitude. When we feel that emotion, then we actually are aligning those forces. वो अपने आप align हो जाते हैं. And that is how healing takes place ना inside. The natural healing कैसे होता है? We put some natural things from outside and align whatever is not aligned inside. So these 5 elements: earth, water, fire, wind, and space. Okay? Prithvi, Jal, Agni, Akash, or Vayu. So all these 5 things. This is what is the science behind Ayurvedana. That is how they balance. Yeah. So we all have within us now. We don't need to go anywhere. We have these natural forces within us. And Hippocrates was the founder of. I think he was the founder. He was the founder of ancient medicine. He was the one who found father of Western medicine. Yes. Yes. You can
You
please.
can you can follow the magic and miracles in health practice every day if you need to, and you can do it multiple times in a day if you really want to accelerate the magical restoration of full health or the improvement of an aspect of your body. But it is vital that whenever you have a negative thought or feeling about the current state of your body or health, that you replace it immediately by visualizing yourself with the ideal state you want, and by being truly grateful as though you have already received it. The most effective way to guarantee health, other than taking good care of yourself physically, is to continue to be grateful for your health.
Yes. Magic practice number 16.
Number 16, magic and miracles in health. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Recollect 3 separate times throughout your life when you felt on top of the world and give sincere thanks for those times. Think about 5 functions of your body that are well, and one by one give thanks to each one. Choose one thing about your body or health you want to improve and spend 1 minute visualizing yourself with the ideal state of your body or health. Then give thanks for this ideal state. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you, Uma. Thank you for doing the reading for us today. Thank you so much. So, we are going to do a visualization today for the steps which we have been given in the book: step 1, step 2, step 3. And uh, so, I mean, we are going to do the assignment. Actually, we'll be doing it in the visualization today. So, anybody has any questions before we begin? Anybody has any questions before we begin? Anybody has any sharings?
How to
Madam,
feel?
but our all religions are say that शरीर नासवंत है, ये है, तो फिर वो और ये contradiction नहीं है?
Sorry, who is that?
I am Snehal Chandrikasa son, and हर हमारे जो धर्म है वो ऐसा बोलते हैं कि शरीर नाशवंत है, ऐसा सब बोलते हैं। तो फिर वो और ये सीक्रेट वो दोनों कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन है ना ये चीज।
हाँ जी, तो शरीर क्या है वो आपको डिफाइन करना है पहले।
तो हमको ऐसा शुरू से ऐसा ही सिखाया जा रहा है हमारे धर्म में कि शरीर नाशवंत है, उसका मोह नहीं रखना है, ऐसा सिखाया जा रहा है शुरू से। जब और ये जो है उसके अंदर ऐसा सिखा, तो ये थोड़ा सा कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन लग रहा है। तो सो आई एम कंफ्यूज कि क्या होना चाहिए।
तो अभी हम उस चीज की बात कर रहे हैं जिससे हमारा शरीर एग्जिस्ट होता है। वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ हेल्थ, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग ऑफ आर हेल्थ जो हमको आइडेंटिफाई करती है, जिससे हमको पता चलता है कि वी आर एग्जिस्टिंग। तो ये दिस मैजिक बुक इज नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी रिलीजन और एनीथिंग, which we had discussed in the first day zero only, that this is not about any religion. So whatever, so again that is a belief. वो एक belief है which has created. So आप अपने आप में identify करिए. Actually I didn't understand who's talking.
I am Snehal Shah. एक्चुअली मोबाइल में चंद्रिका शाह नाम लिखा है।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
एक्चुअली वो मेरी मम्मी का मोबाइल है और मैं अभी सुन रहा हूँ आपको।
ओके, आपकी मम्मी का मोबाइल है?
यस।
ओके।
वो सुन रही थी और फिर मैं अब जस्ट आया और वो अभी मैं सुन रहा हूँ, इसलिए मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा है।
हाँ जी। मतलब आपके दिमाग में ये कंफ्यूजन ये है कि शरीर नाशवान है, और ये बुक आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि दिस बुक इज टेलिंग शरीर नाशवान नहीं है?
नहीं, यस, ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है, लेकिन हमारे माइंड में वो बिलीफ आ रही है कि शरीर नाशवंत है तो उसका कोई मोह नहीं रखना है, ऐसा हमको सिखाते हैं।
आई अंडरस्टूड। तो इसका मतलब दिस चैप्टर टेलिंग यू कि नहीं मोह रखना चाहिए? इज दिस चैप्टर टेलिंग यू दैट?
Just take care of your health.
I don't know.
It's telling you कि जो आपको ये शरीर मिला है उसका आप रिस्पेक्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं?
Just take care of your health.
Okay.
अच्छा वंदना, how to feel gratitude about 5 elements in our body?
It's going to come now in the further chapters. It's going to come.
Okay.
Yeah. It's there is a complete chapter for it. So we'll be doing the visualization also on that. So I'm glad that we all have started running. We are in today's chapter and we're thinking of what's going to happen. So we all have got connected with that universal energy. I'm glad that all of us, I mean, most of us are getting in tune with what is going to come. So we discussed now day 3, we are going to start running because we are stepped into the future. Yeah. So I hope I answered your question, whoever asked me this. Did I answer your question properly? Are you satisfied with the answer? जिन्होंने मुझसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था, आर यू स्टिल देयर?
यस, ओके। ये आपका जो आंसर है वो एक लेवल से बराबर है, क्योंकि अभी जो हमारा ये शरीर की बात है उसको कैसे अच्छा करना है उसके लिए है। आई थिंक ये बराबर है आपकी बात।
ओके, थैंक यू।
ओके,
thank you for asking. Yeah.
Right.
So are we all ready for the visualization?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
No
Yes.
questions, no sharings before that. Okay. So today is a little longer visualization because we are going to visualize for one of the most important things are mental and physical health. You know, that what we have received in the past and that what we are going to receive. Yeah. So make yourself as comfortable as you can. अपनी spine को सीधा रखते हुए just be seated in a comfortable position. You can silent your cell phones if it's kept by your side, or you can keep them away from you. Be in that silent space wherein you are just focusing on your breaths. अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान देना है. The time you took your first breath and right now जब आप सांस ले रहे हैं, this breath, this prana, this life force is keeping you alive. Say thank you. Thank you. And now think about the greatest health you received when you were a child, when you were just 7 years. When you were 7 years young, जब आप 7 साल के थे, तब health का definition क्या था? How was your health? How energetically you used to feel? आपको शायद पता ही नहीं था कि सर दर्द क्या होता है. आपको शायद पता ही नहीं था कि पेट का दर्द क्या होता है. And you never knew about it. Think about that time when you were so energetic. You used to run through the day. पूरे दिन आप दौड़ते भागते रहते थे. And you used to do all the work. पूरा काम, अपने दिन भर का काम आप अपने आप करते थे. स्कूल जाना, घर पे आना, and doing your studies, and then doing other things, going and playing. And then even when you used to go to sleep in the night, you never used to feel tired. How beautiful was it? And then think about the time when you were an adolescent. You stepped when you were in that age group of 10 to 19 years. In that age group, how was your health? How was it? How was your mental health? How was your emotional health? How was your physical health? कैसा महसूस करते थे आप? And you used to feel that I am so healthy, I'm on top of the world. Wow! I used to be so energetic. Thank you. Thank that health which you had received at that time. And think about the time when you were an adult and right now. When you were an adult, when you just got married, or when you were in college. And how effortlessly आप में इतनी एनर्जी थी कि आप रात भर भी जग जाते थे पढ़ाई करते हुए, तो भी आप सुबह उठ के एग्जाम देने चले जाते थे. हाउ एनर्जेटिक यू यूज्ड टू फील. और उसके बाद भी आके सिर्फ कुछ देर की नींद से आप एकदम फ्रेश हो जाते थे. एंड यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट योर वर्क अगेन. Remember that time when you were full of energy, and say thank you, thank you, thank you. And now think about the health you are receiving right now. अभी इस moment में आपके सारे organs, आपके lungs, आपकी liver, आपके heart, आपकी kidneys, pancreas, gallbladder, आपकी uterus, ovaries, all are functioning properly. They are working well in your body. आपके दोनों हाथ जिनसे आप पूरे दिन काम करते रहते हैं, आपके दोनों लेग्स जो आपको हमेशा बैलेंस करके रखती है, चाहे आप बैठे हो, चाहे आप खड़ा होना चाहते हो या आप दौड़ना चाहते हैं. थिंक अबाउट योर आईज जिनसे आप पूरी दुनिया की सुंदरता को देख सकते हैं. यू कैन सी द colors around you, the miracles of nature. Think about your ears जिनसे आप अभी सुन पा रहे हैं और जिनसे आप अलग अलग वॉइसेस को सुन सकते हैं, अपने प्रिय म्यूजिक को सुन सकते हैं, अपने प्रिय सॉन्ग को सुन सकते हैं. And think about 5 functions of your body now which are functioning all well. Think about your digestive system. Think about your digestive system. आप जो कुछ भी डालते हैं वो पूरी तरह से डाइजेस्ट कर देता है. Think about your respiratory system जिससे आप अभी सांस ले पा रहे हैं. Think about your excretory system. जो भी undigested food होता है वो कैसे so efficiently, so effortlessly you can take that, release that undigested food from your body. Just imagine अगर वो excretory system नहीं होता तो क्या होता हमारे बॉडी में. What would have happened to our body? Think about your muscular system. जो हमारे मसल्स हैं वो कैसे हमारी बॉडी को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाते हैं, कैसे हमारे बॉडी के एक एक पार्ट को सपोर्ट करते हैं. Think about our reproductive system. Because of this system, because of this beautiful system of reproduction, we become a creator. हम सृष्टि के सृजन में एक भागीदार बन जाते हैं. We actually can create. We can create a life because of this system. Thank you all my systems. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much for working so efficiently. Thank you so much. And now you're going to choose one thing from your body जिसे आप पाना चाहते हैं. एक चीज अपनी बॉडी में से ले लीजिए जिसे आप 100% वर्केबल स्टेट में फील करना चाहते हैं, देखना चाहते हैं. Or you want to improve that part of your body, the functioning of that part of your body. And जो भी आपने चूज किया है, आपको बस ये विजुअलाइज करना है, ये इमेजिन करना है कि वो मिल गया है, आप पहुंच चुके हो उस आदर्श अवस्था में. You have actually reached that ideal state. You have achieved and wow, it feels so happy. So if you have any kind of aches and pains in your body right now, you can choose that also right now. And think that it is whatever you have chosen for yourself is there, is right there. आपको मिल चुका है वो. And wow, so amazing जब आपको मिल गया, जब आपने उस ideal state को achieve कर लिया. How amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this ideal state. and be with that for some time. Be in this state of happiness and joy wherein you know how to cure yourself. You have received it, and in such a small time. Thank you to each and every part of this body. And now visualize yourself, visualize your body, visualize your mind as completely in that full restored state, in that full state, in that healthy state. You have what you had desired for your health. Maybe you wrote something in your dream list about your health. Maybe that ideal weight, whatever you want, you have reached. And the moment we start feeling that, the universe arranges, it makes sure that it arranges the ways how to do it. But first, let us make it real in our inner world. Let us make it completely real in our inner world. And once we make it real in our inner world, the outer world automatically reflects that inner world. जब हम एक बार अपनी अंदर की दुनिया को बदल देते हैं, तो बाहर की दुनिया अपने आप चेंज हो जाती है. So feel as grateful as you can for the health, knowing that the gift of health is keeping me alive. The gift of health is keeping me alive. The gift, this is the biggest gift that I have received. I was born with this gift. And I am so grateful that right now I'm sitting so comfortably without any aches and pains is because of this gift. And I'm alive because of this gift. I'm sitting and hearing, I'm sitting and visualizing, I'm sitting and breathing because of this gift which has been given to me. This divine gift which has been given to me. Thank you. Thank you so much. And now keep your right palm on the heart center and the left palm behind the back of the heart center. So take your left palm behind and the right palm in front of the heart center. The heart center is the center of the chest. And feel the space between the two palms, the right palm and the left palm, जो पीछे है, back of the heart, which is in the spine. Feel that space and feel that happy energy flowing from your right palm into the left palm, from the left palm into the right palm. Feel the center of both the palms. Feel that happy energy. This magnetic flow from one palm to the other, from the front of the heart to the back of the heart, from the back of the heart to the front of the heart, this circle. As you visualize this, feel that happiness, feel that joy, feel that gratitude, and feel that love which is flowing from your heart. Feel that loving light flowing from your heart. And smile. Feel that love flowing from your heart into each and every part of your body. Feel this golden light of gratitude flowing into your cells, flowing into your bones, flowing into your muscles, flowing into every organ of this body, flowing into your skin, your flesh, your tissues, your blood vessels. Feel it in your skin, feel it around your body. This golden light spreading outside your body, filling this entire room you are sitting in. And feel it outside this room. Feel it filling the entire building you are sitting in. And then as you move outside, feel it in the entire universe. This light, which is radiating from each one of us, from the heart center, is spreading in the entire universe. Feel this love. Feel this loving energy of gratitude spreading like the rays of the sun in this universe, in the space around, and then come back to your body. Be aware of your body. Be aware of the perfect gift of health that we have received. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for this healthy body and healthy mind. Thank you. And then give a tight hug to yourself. Hug yourself completely. Hug yourself as lovingly as you can. You can gently touch your face. You can gently touch your throat, your shoulders, the right arm, the left arm, the chest, whichever part of the body you can touch. Just allow your palms to flow down into the legs. In the back body, touch your back body. Touch your back of the shoulders. Touch the back of the neck. Lovingly, smilingly. Feel this energy. Feel this touch. Feel this loving touch. And say, I love you. I love you. I love you. As you become aware of your breaths, as you become aware of this body, whenever you feel like, slowly open your eyes. Thank you. And if you want to share anything, how did you feel? How are you feeling after visualizing the perfect health? And you have actually created a perfect health for yourself. So yes, anybody wants to share anything? What did you experience? How are you experiencing right now? What are you experiencing right now? No one wants to share anything?
Yeah. Yeah, Vardhanaji, I want to share.
Yes.
Then you have told you take one part of your body, one system. Then I have taken digestive system.
हाँ जी.
मैंने उसमें थॉट डाला कि मेरा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इस प्रॉपर फंक्शन कर रहा है, वेस्ट और जो भी वेस्ट अपना फूड है वो एक्सक्रेशन हो रहा है, तो मेरे को फील होने लग गया था.
Lovely. Lovely. Nice. So now see if how are you feeling during the day? Be aware of it.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Anybody else has any sharings? Anybody else wants to share anything before we end today's session? No one? Okay, then we can end today's session. Thank you everyone for being a part of today's session.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much and have a magical health. Thank you.